Now we have to see some examples or some MCQs based on implicit function. Okay. Now first example for the implicit function. If x square into y square is equal to x square plus y square, then dy by dx is equal to question mark. Options are given. Option A, x into in bracket y square minus 1 upon y into in bracket x square minus 1. Option B, minus x into in bracket y square minus 1 upon y into x square minus 1. Option C, x into in bracket y square minus 1 upon y into in bracket x square plus 1. Option fourth or option D, minus x into in bracket y square minus 1 upon y into in bracket x square plus 1. Okay, we have to find correct answer for this example. Now this is the function in implicit form, terms of x and y in mixed form. Therefore, we have to find derivative for this function and find the value for dy by dx. Now we can differentiate this equation with respect to x. We can take derivative here directly. Derivative of x square into y square by using product rule. X square as it is, derivative of y square 2y into dy by dx. Okay, plus this y square as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. By using product rule, derivative for x square y square is this, equal to derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Now dividing throughout by 2, we can write here x square y into dy by dx plus y square x equal to x plus y into dy by dx. Now take terms of dy by dx to the LHS and remaining terms to the RHS. That is x square y dy by dx minus y into dy by dx is equal to x minus this term y square into x. Now take dy by dx common here. Taking dy by dx common, we can write here dy by dx into in bracket x square y minus y is equal to x minus y square into x. Okay. Now find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to x minus y square x upon this bracket x square y minus y. Now at the numerator we can take x common here, y common. That is dy by dx is equal to x into 1 minus y square upon here y common in bracket x square minus 1. Now if we take minus sign common here from these two terms, then we can write dy by dx is equal to minus x into in bracket y square minus 1 upon y into x square minus 1. Okay. Now this is the answer, and this answer in option number B. Therefore option B is correct answer. Okay. We have to solve these examples in only 2 minutes. Quickly. Okay. Now next example is if y equal to x into sin y, then dy by dx is equal to question mark. Now options are given. Option number first, minus sin y upon 1 minus x into cos y. Option B, sin y upon 1 minus x into cos y. Option C, sin y upon 1 plus x into cos y. And option D is minus sin y upon 1 plus x into cos y. Okay, all the options are approximately similar, but signs are changes here. Now we have to find correct option or correct answer. Consider this equation y equal to x into sin y and find derivative for this equation. Differentiate with respect to x, then derivative for y is dy by dx. Okay, equal to, here use product rule, product of two functions, x as it is, derivative for sin y is cos y into derivative for y dy by dx, plus sin y as it is into derivative of x is 1. Using product rule, derivative for x into sin y is this. Okay, now take terms of dy by dx to the LHS, that is dy by dx minus x into cos y into dy by dx equal to sin y as it is. Take dy by dx common here, dy by dx into in bracket 1 minus x into cos y is equal to sin y. That is dy by dx equal to sin y upon 1 minus x into cos y. Sin y upon 1 minus x into cos y. Okay, this option is dy by dx equal to sin y upon 1 minus x into cos y. This option B is correct. Okay, this is simple example. Now we see next example here. Now all these examples are asked in various examinations, various competitive examinations. Okay, now we see next example here. If y is equal to, under root cos x plus under root cos x plus under root cos x plus under root so on infinitely many. Okay, then value for dy by dx. Then value for dy by dx equal to. Now we have to ask similar examples like this example. Instead of cos x, we can write here sin x, tan x, log x, cot x, any trigonometric function. And we have to ask find dy by dx. Now we have to give an options here. First option A, sin x upon 1 plus y. Sin x upon 1 plus y. Option B, sin x upon 1 minus y. Option C, sin x upon 1 plus 2y. Sin x upon 1 plus 2y. And option D is sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Okay. Now, for finding the derivative of these type of examples, we have to consider given equation and call this as equation number first, and then consider this underlying term. Okay. If we write this term separately, under root cos x plus under root cos x plus under root cos x plus so on infinity, then we get value for this term is y. That is, we can write this equation y is equal to under root cos x plus value for this underlying term is y. That is, we get example in similar form, simple form. Now we have to take square for both sides. taking square on both sides, we can write here y square is equal to the RHS, square root and square get cancelled, remains only cos x plus y. Okay, now we can take derivative, differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative for y square, 2y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos x minus sin x plus derivative of y dy by dx. Okay, now take terms of dy by dx to the LHS, and taking dy by dx common, we can write here directly dy by dx into in bracket 2y minus 1 is equal to minus sin x. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. Okay, now if we take minus sign common from these two terms at denominator, then we can write here dy by dx is equal to minus sin x as it is upon minus into in bracket 1 minus 2y. Minus into in bracket 1 minus 2y. This minus sign get cancelled, remains only dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Therefore, our correct answer is option number D, sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Okay, we have to solve these examples carefully and we have to find the values for dy by dx. Now we see next example here. Now this example is asked in various examination in so many times. Therefore, you see this example. If x raised to y equal to, if x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y, e raised to x minus y, then dy by dx equal to, okay, options are, first option is minus log x upon 1 plus log x, log x upon 1 plus log x. Option B, log x upon 1 plus log x, log x upon 1 plus log x. Option C, log x upon 1 plus log x bracket square. And option D, minus log x upon 1 plus log x bracket square. Okay, we have to find correct answer here. Now consider this given equation which is in implicit form. Taking log on both sides, we can write here log of x raised to y is equal to log of e raised to x minus y. Okay, here function is also, one function is power of another function, therefore we can use logarithmic differentiation also. Therefore we can write here y into log x is equal to x minus y into log e. By using rule for logarithm, log a raised to b is equal to b into log a, we can write here y into log x is equal to x minus y into log e. And value for log e is 1, that is y into log x equal to x minus y. Now take terms of y together, y into log x plus y is equal to x. That is, we can write here y, take y common, in bracket remains 1 plus log x is equal to x. That is, y is equal to, we can write here x upon 1 plus log x. Now we can take derivative here, differentiate this with respect to x by using division rule. We can write derivative for RHS, derivative for y dy by dx equal to, we use here division rule. We know that y equal to u upon v, then derivative of y dy by dx equal to, division rule is if y equal to u upon v, then dy by dx equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Using this rule we can find derivative for this division, that is 1 plus log x as it is into derivative of x is 1 minus x as it is into derivative of 1 plus log x. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of log x is 1 upon x upon 1 plus log x bracket square, that is dy by dx equal to 1 plus log x, here x upon x get cancelled, remains only minus 1 upon 1 plus log x bracket square, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remains only dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x bracket square. Okay, this is the correct answer. Therefore our answer is here option number C, log x upon 1 plus log x bracket square. This is the correct answer, value for dy by dx.